Hey guys, got a 2018 plate Audi A5 here. It's going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one we're going to use the screen on the centre of the dash and then the controls down here in the middle of the console. So first we're going to go to the menu button, press that. It's going to bring you up this screen. Then we're going to scroll around to car and then press the button in. Then we're going to press the left button next to the dial, which will bring us up to this. Scroll round till we get to servicing and checks. Click into there. And then clicking on tyre pressure loss indicator. Then store tyre pressures. So first obviously make sure your pressures are pumped up correctly. And then store pressures. Yes, store now. And that's it, it's been restored.